Hi guys! We're back again another Monday. We only have a few more left, so hang in there. Today it's just going to be one assignment that we want you to do. So hopefully it won't take you very long and it's going to be fun. So if you have been in my class this year, we have done these before. So you should know what to do, but we're going to go over it. All right. So guys, what we're gonna do, this is called a math mystery. It's kind of like an escape room, but you have to go through and you have to solve all the problems on your paper to find clues so that you can figure out who done it. Okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read you the case of the Great Zoo Escape. We have just received a report that there's some trouble at Manhattan Zoo. After the animal head count this morning, Claudia, the zookeeper, noticed that an animal was missing from the zoo and she can't work out who. Claudia is very worried. She needs some help to track down and find out the following: who is missing? Where has this animal gone? When did the animal leave the zoo? What is the animal up to? And why has the animal left her amazing zoo? Claudia stated, I don't know which animal has left. It has been very hard to keep track since a lot of new animals have just arrived to stay at our zoo. This is a disaster. I really hope a great detective can help find out exactly what happened so that the animals return to the zoo safe and happy. The police need a super detective with math skills to help them solve this case. By solving the math questions, you will be able to discover important information for your investigation. Cut and paste your evidence, or in this case, guys, since you don't actually have the paper, you can just write it down on a piece of paper. Present your case solved once you've discovered who, where, when, what, and why. Let's hope that we can find and return the missing animal to the zoo safe and happy. Okay. Now I'm going to skip that page because you don't have that one, so you can't cut and paste anything on it. All right, this says, who is missing from the zoo? So the very first page that we have to do is going to tell us who the animal is that's missing, okay? And your options down here are giraffe, monkey, tiger, and elephant. Well, to find out who is missing, we have to go through and solve all of these addition problems on your paper, okay? And then each answer has a letter that goes with it. So if we look at 2 plus 3, let me get my button here. Okay. If we answer 2 plus 3, you should get an answer of 5. So then you would go back up in your puzzle and you would find all of the number 5s. And then you would put an E in that box where it says 5. So I'm going to put an E here. And that's all the 5s that I see. Okay. Then we would go to the next one. 6 plus 1 equals 7. So all of the number 7 boxes will have an S in them. So I'm going to go back up and I'm going to find a 7 and I'm going to put an S. Okay. And then I would go through and I would do all of these until we have filled in the answer to the puzzle. Okay. So just for time's sake, I'm going to go through and I'm going to show you the answer to the first puzzle. 10 is T. I'm not going to write all the answers in there, guys, because I want you to actually work on these. And it's a lot harder to write on this than what you guys think it is, so be patient with me. And at this point, you guys can start to see what the code is telling us. Okay, so once you have solved all of these problems and inputted the letters into the box, it tells you the monkey is missing. So for your who, it would be monkey. Okay, so you'd have to write the monkey is missing on your paper. Okay. Alrighty. On the next page, you're going to do the exact same thing, but on this one, you're going to find out where the monkey went. So you have to go through, solve all your problems, put the letters up here in the key, and then it'll tell you where the monkey went. And then you'd write that down. Same thing for when, what he is doing, and why he escaped. Okay? So I'm going to go back so that you can see all of the pages. Okay? All right, I'm going to skip ahead. Once you have finished all of your papers and you have filled in all of the boxes at the tops of your papers and you have all your answers, you have to write it on. You have to write it down. It says, write a letter to Claudia the zookeeper about the information you discovered on your investigation. You must include who, where, when, what, and why. So the first one that we did, we said who was missing was the monkey. So your first sentence would be, the monkey is missing. Okay. Then your next sentence would be where the monkey went. Then your next sentence would be when the monkey escaped. And then what the monkey was doing while he was out of the zoo. And then your last sentence will be why he left the zoo in the first place. Okay? And then at the bottom, you can write your name because you are the detective in this case. And once you have all that, then you have successfully solved the case. Okay? So we're going to be back here on Wednesday at 12 o'clock to go over this assignment. And guys, if you are able, please try to get this finished before Wednesday, because it'll make it a lot easier on us on Wednesday to go over it if we don't have to back up and you have to do all of it Wednesday at noon. Okay, guys, so please try to get this done. I understand that if you can't, that's okay, but try. Okay. All right, guys. Well, hopefully you can get that finished, and we will see you back on here Wednesday at noon. Okay.
All right. Bye, guys.
Bye, everybody.
Have a good day.